Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook account with the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game on your device, and if you haven't logged into any of your account already, then you will be taken into this home screen. Now from this page, just tap on the Login with Facebook button, and then this will open up the Facebook login page. Simply tap on the Continue As button with your Facebook account, and now this will sign you up automatically. Just wait for a while and then you will be taken into the tutorial page. Tap on the Start button and then go ahead and complete the tutorial, and then tap on the Play Now button. And now, as you can see, your Facebook account username and the profile picture has been associated with your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Facebook account with the 8-ball pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.